Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we will learn how to create a static record using Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description, then select the method, menu, and window where you want to place the trigger. Once configured, click the Save button. Next, navigate to the Data Operation Events section, where you'll find the Create a Static Record event. Drag it into the workflow playground and enter a title and description. Then, select the system and source type. The available source types include department, role, and variable. Choose the one for which you want to create a record. In this case, we'll select department. Now, add the name and description for the record. These fields can be populated in multiple ways. By prompting the user for input. By carrying data from other nodes. By using variables. By adding static data manually. Once the fields are set, connect the event block to the start and end nodes. Then, publish the workflow. Finally, go to the window where you added the trigger and execute it. After execution, a new department record will be successfully created.